Hey everybody, this is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in Excel and I'm going to show you how to use the if function. So I have some data here that consists of item, which is fruit, and quantity. And then I have a result column that is currently blank. So what I want to do is tell Excel if any of these quantities are greater than 7, then write over in this result field. If they are 7 or less, write perfect. And I'm going to show you how we accomplish that. So let's go up to Insert Function and make sure that you're in the first field that you want it to write to. So in this case, C2. So from our Insert Function, we want to find the if function. Now my if function shows up in my most recent because I use it quite a bit. If yours doesn't, you can search for it from this function box. So just type in if and go to all, tell it go, and it'll find your if function. So the next thing that we see is our function arguments box. And this is basically where we're going to tell Excel what we want it to find and what we want it to do with that data. So we've already said that we want anything in B2 that is above 7 to write something in this field. So we're going to say B2 is greater than 7. And now you see it says if B2 is greater than 7. So your value, if true, is basically Excel saying, okay, if I find any value above 7, what do you want me to do? So we're going to tell it to write over, tab. And then it's going to ask, okay, what if it's 7 or less? Well, we want it to write perfect. And we're going to tell it okay. And as you can see up here in your function, it says if B2 is greater than 7, write over. If it's 7 or less, write perfect. That's basically what this function equates to. So let's go ahead and pull down the first 3. And if you notice, this one is B2 greater than 7. This one goes down to B3 greater than 7 and B4. So it's carrying down how we want it to. So let's go ahead and pull the rest. And these say perfect because B5, 6, and 7 are equal to or less than 7. And that is how you use the if function within Excel. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and get notified. I'll be back tomorrow with another tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.